Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing the quick solutions of All India Akash Test Series JEE Main Test 4 Quad C and D, which was held on 6th January 2019 Mathematics. So let us start with the question number 61, which says that the ratio in which the line x plus y equal to 1 divides the circumference of the circle x square plus y square equal to 1 is. Let us say this is the circle and this is the line, that is x plus y equal to 1. So the center of the circle is, let us say O is 0, 0, and let us say we draw perpendicular to the line, that is OM. Let us say the line intersects the circle at points A and B, and we will join O and B, and let us say this angle is theta. So let us find the distance of point O from the line, that is OM, equal to mod of 0 plus 0 minus 1 upon under root 2, which is equal to 1 upon root 2, right? So the value of OM is 1 by root 2, and the value of OB, that is radius of the circle, is 1. So this length OB is equal to 1. Hence we can find the value of theta from here, that is cos theta is equal to OM, that is 1 by root 2 upon 1. So we can say that the value of theta is equal to pi by 4. And by symmetry we can say that angle made by OA with OM is also pi by 4. Hence, the value of angle AOB is pi by 2, right? So, let us say the length of the smaller arc AB is L1 and the length of larger arc AB is L2. Now, length of arc L1 will be equal to radius R, that is 1, into 2 theta, that is pi by 2. Similarly, we can find the length of arc L2 equal to the whole circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, that is 2 pi minus L1, that is minus pi by 2. So this is equal to 3 pi by 2. Hence, the ratio in which the line divides the circumference of the circle is L1 upon L2, which will be equal to 1 upon 3. So the correct answer is option number 1. Next is question number 62, which says that the minimum distance between the parabola y square equal to 4x and the circle x square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 1 is. So let us say this is the coordinate axis and let this be a parabola y square equal to 4x and this is the circle whose center is 0, 3 and radius is 1, right? So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So the minimum distance between the parabola and the circle, let us say this is the minimum distance. So it will be lying on normal of the circle and the parabola, right? Now the normal on the parabola y square equal to 4x, its equation will be written as y equal to minus tx plus 2at plus at cube for the point lying on the parabola, that is at square comma 2at, but here a is equal to 1, so the point will be t square comma 2t, right? Now as the normal is passing through the center of the circle, so it will satisfy 0, 3. So we can write 3 equal to 0 plus 2at plus at cube. Putting value of a equal to 1, we will get t cube plus 2t minus 3 equal to 0. Now here we can say that by hit and trial, t equal to 1 is satisfying the equation. So the factors will be t minus 1 into t square plus t plus 3 equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation gives complex roots. So the only value of t that is satisfying this cubic equation is t equal to 1. Hence the point on the parabola is 1, 2. Now to find the minimum distance, let us say this is O and this is A and this is B. So the minimum distance is AB, which will be equal to OB minus OA. OA is equal to radius of the circle, which is equal to 1. So this is equal to OB, that is under root of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square. That is again 1 minus 1. So this is equal to root 2 minus 1 units. Therefore, the correct answer will be option number 2. Next is question number 63, which says that the area of triangle OAB, where O is origin, formed by a tangent to circle x square plus y square equal to 4, which is equally inclined with coordinate x's and intersects positive x and y axis at A and B respectively, is. Let us say this is the coordinate axis and this is the circle x square plus y square equal to 4, and this be a tangent that is cutting x axis at point A and y axis at point B. Let us say this point is M and this is O, right? So this is x axis and this is y axis. Let us say the equation of the tangent is x plus y equal to A, because it is equally inclined with the coordinate axis. Therefore, the coefficient of x will be equal to coefficient of y. So we can here see that the distance OM will be equal to 0 plus 0 minus A upon under root 2. But OM is given to be equal to radius of the circle, that is 2. So this is equal to 2. So from here we can see that value of A is equal to plus minus 2 root 2. But as it is given that the tangent is intersecting positive x and y axis, hence the equation of tangent is x plus y equal to 2 root 2. Now this is the equation of tangent. So now we can find the coordinates of points A and B. To find the coordinate of point A, let us put y equal to 0. So the point will be 2 root 2 comma 0. Similarly, to find the point B, let us put x equal to 0. So the point will be 0 comma 2 root 2. Now the area of the triangle OAB, that is right angled triangle, which is equal to half into base into altitude. So this will be equal to 4 square units. So the correct answer will be option number 2. Next is question number 64, which says that the eccentricity of the conic represented by Tx minus T square plus 1 equal to 0, comma, Ty minus T square minus 1 equal to 0 is, where T is a parameter and T is not equal to 0. So here it is given that Tx is equal to T square minus 1, that is x is equal to T minus 1 by T. Similarly, we can see that Ty is given to be equal to T square plus 1. That is, y is equal to T plus 1 by T. Now, if I add equation 1 and 2, then what will we get? X plus y equal to 2t, right? Also, if I subtract equation 1 and 2, we will get x minus y equal to minus 2 upon t. Now here, to find the conic, we have to eliminate the parameter t. Now to do that, let us substitute t equal to x plus y upon 2 in equation 3. So from here we get that x plus y into x minus y, that is x square, minus y square is equal to minus 4. That is, the conic is a rectangular hyperbola. Now for that, we know that the eccentricity is always under root 2. So the correct answer is option number 4. Next is question number 65, which says that if the positive real numbers a, b and c are in GP, then the equation ax plus under root ac into y plus b equal to 0 represents a family of lines. Then all the lines belonging to the family pass through a fixed point whose coordinates can be. Now here it is given that a, b, c are in GP, hence we can say that b square is equal to ac, right? That is, b is equal to under root of ac. So substituting this value in the given equation, that is ax plus under root ac is equal to b. So it can be written as b into y plus b equal to 0. So this is ax plus, taking b common, we can write it as y plus 1 equal to 0. Further, we can write it as x plus b by a into y plus 1 equal to 0. That is, it is of the form L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Now to find the point from which the family of lines is passing, we have to put L1 and L2 equal to 0. That is, x is equal to 0 and y plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, the coordinates of the fixed points are 0, minus 1. That is, the correct answer is option number 3.